Hey everyone, welcome back to the book breakdown. In today's video, we will be discussing a detailed summary of one of the most influential books on personal development, How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. This book has sold over 30 million copies worldwide and has helped millions of people achieve success in both their personal and professional lives. So without further ado, let's get into the summary. The first section of the book covers the 6 ways to make people like you. These are: 1. Become genuinely interested in other people. According to Carnegie, one of the most important traits of successful people is their ability to take a genuine interest in other people. This means actively listening to them, asking questions about their lives, and showing empathy and understanding. When you show a genuine interest in others, they are more likely to like and trust you. 2. Smile. A smile can go a long way in making a positive first impression. It shows that you are friendly and approachable, and it can help put others at ease. Even if you don't feel like smiling, forcing yourself to do so can help improve your mood and make others feel more comfortable around you. 3. Remember and use people's names. Everyone likes to feel important, and one way to make people feel important is to remember and use their names. When you meet someone new, make an effort to remember their name and use it in conversation. This shows that you value them as an individual and are interested in what they have to say. 4. Be a good listener. Good listening skills are crucial for building strong relationships. When you listen attentively to others, you show that you respect their opinions and value their input. This can help you build trust and rapport, and it can also help you learn valuable information that you can use in future conversations. 5. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. People are naturally more interested in topics that they are familiar with or passionate about. If you want to make a good impression on someone, try to talk about things that they are interested in. Ask them about their hobbies or favorite topics, and try to find common ground that you can both relate to. 6. Make the other person feel important, and do it sincerely. Everyone wants to feel important and valued. If you want to make a good impression on someone, try to make them feel important and valued. This can be as simple as listening to them attentively, asking for their opinion, or complimenting them on something they have done well. The second section of the book focuses on how to win people to your way of thinking. Some of the key takeaways from this section include: 1. Don't argue. Instead, show respect for the other person's opinions and try to understand their perspective. Arguing rarely results in a positive outcome. Instead of trying to prove your point, try to understand the other person's point of view. This can help you find common ground and come up with a solution that works for both parties. 2. If you're wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. No one is perfect, and everyone makes mistakes. If you realize that you are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. This shows that you are honest and willing to take responsibility for your actions. 3. Begin in a friendly way and try to find common ground. When you are trying to persuade someone, it's important to start on a positive note. Begin the conversation in a friendly way, and try to find common ground that you can both relate to. This can help build trust and make the other person more receptive to your ideas. 4. Get the other person to say yes immediately. When you are trying to persuade someone, it's important to get them to say yes as soon as possible. This can be done by asking questions that the other person is likely to say yes to. Once they have said yes, they are more likely to continue saying yes throughout the conversation. 5. Let the other person do most of the talking. People like to feel heard and valued. When you let the other person do most of the talking, you show that you are interested in what they have to say and that you value their opinions. This can help build trust and make the other person more receptive to your ideas. 6. Let the other person feel that the idea is his or hers. People are more likely to support an idea if they feel like it was their own. When you are trying to persuade someone, try to present the idea in a way that makes the other person feel like it was their idea all along. The third section of the book focuses on how to change people without offending them. Some of the key takeaways from this section include: 1. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. If you want to change someone's behavior, it's important to start on a positive note. Begin by praising the person for something they have done well, and show genuine appreciation for their efforts. 2. Call attention to people's mistakes indirectly. No one likes to be criticized, but sometimes it's necessary to point out mistakes. When you need to call attention to someone's mistakes, try to do so indirectly. For example, you could ask a question that highlights the mistake, rather than directly pointing it out. 3. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. No one is perfect, and everyone makes mistakes. When you need to criticize someone, try to talk about your own mistakes first. This shows that you are not perfect either, and it can help the other person be more receptive to your criticism. 4. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. People are more likely to follow through on something if they feel like they came up with the idea themselves. When you need someone to do something, try asking questions that lead them to the desired outcome, rather than giving direct orders. 5. Let the other person save face. No one likes to be embarrassed or humiliated. When you need to criticize someone, try to do so in a way that allows them to save face. This means being tactful and respectful, and avoiding harsh criticism that could be seen as an attack. So there you have it, a summary of How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to improve their interpersonal skills and achieve success in their personal and professional lives. By following the principles outlined in this book, you can learn how to make people like you, win people to your way of thinking, and change people without offending them. I hope you found this summary helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.